Hi everyone, my name is Davide and I've been selected as innovator for the 2023 Big Brainstorm. The initiative that I'm working on with my group aims at identifying the values and the priorities of a new social contract through the creation of a value-based global survey by youth for youth around the world. But what do we mean exactly? Let's get deeper. In the late 18th century, a philosopher named Rousseau published a revolutionary manuscript called The Social Contract. The social contract basically identified the rules defining the agreement between citizens and the states that allowed the latter to rule over the former in exchange for public good and security. If, on the one hand, these agreements might have worked well in the past, the recent crises, from economic crisis to climate change, from pandemics to rising inequalities, are showing that these traditional models are not working that well anymore and therefore need to be renegotiated. And who should be at the center of this renegotiation? Well, we believe it's youth, the same youth that will live firsthand the consequences of such change. Throughout the big brainstorm hosted by UN Foundation, we are working with youth around the world to create the most inclusive and insightful value-based survey to be shared with youth to understand their values, their beliefs, and their key priorities for this new social contract, to design together a better tomorrow where future generations can thrive. These inputs will then serve as base elements for policy proposal that the UN SDG Lab, of which I'm part of, will propose to different multilateral fora such as the SDG Summit and many more. Thank you very much, and let's change this world through a new social contract.